This is crazy. As you see, this is super crazy. Just gonna check few links. Let's say if this is working or not. This is going to change everything. Look at this. So hi guys, welcome back to my another video. So in this video we're gonna see something. I was trying to find out something cool that there's a website called Taskit. There's a website and you can see that this website can actually automate a lot of tasks, including getting internships and getting a lot of stuff to you. So we're gonna see how this is going to work. So basic thing is you just have to log in with your email ID, and after that you have to select what is the purpose you're going to use for, and then this is what we're gonna do: generate AI project. Okay, so click it and okay, let's skip this. We're gonna do, okay, so enter your goal. So I'm just gonna give like, I want to find internships for me in India because I am a student. Okay, so this is the prompt I'm giving, and I'm just gonna give in list, or okay, probably, yeah, that could be in list and something. And yeah, please enable this agent mode and then click this. So let's wait for some time whether it's actually working or not. So it's giving something. So this actually gave me an internship search plan, which is a project. As you could see, this is creating the agent. So what is agent? In the sense, this will do the work which you wanted to do basically. So if this is right, then this will search internships for you. Well, you can have some like little hearts maybe. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, it's almost done, I guess. Cool. So in the previous part we have made the planner. This is actually helps us to write the planners. Right now we're gonna see something like AI agents. So let's say create with AI. So as you can see, these are if we want to create some new AI agent. Okay, so now we're gonna see how we can create an AI agent. So make sure you click this option and then click create new AI agent. So tell it what exactly you wanted to do. Okay, so I mean what exactly your AI wanted to do. Okay, so I'm just like, we can use task manager. We have to basically describe what AI agents especially work has to do. So now I'm just saying like, I want to search for internships every day for students in India. So this is the task of my AI agent which has to be done. So I'm just clicking go, and then you, by the way, you can name it whatever you want. Let it load for some time. It's actually it will take some time, so we'll have to wait. So once it is done, we'll get the option of name, instructions, commands, and tools. So in the name you can name anything. It is up to you, like, you know. Yeah, so it's almost done. Internship finder agent. So it filled automatically basically. If you see, helps in finding internship opportunities. Your job is to search daily for internships, compare them, organize lists, and inform students about these opportunities through alerts. So it's tracking up like, okay, search for internships. These are the commands which automatically it understood. Okay, so let's create okay, basically it creates and send internship alerts and also track internship applications as well, generate internship insights as well. Okay, so these are the tools which gonna use automatically. Let's try create and launching the agent. Customize your agent, next, knowledge, this and all. I mean, we can customize it obviously. So now we're gonna see chat with agent. Okay, so this is how it works. Now how to do. Now let's click chat. Search. Let's click search for internships. Okay, I'm just clicking this. So we'll have to wait whether it is actually finding our internships or not. This is crazy. As you see, this is super crazy. So we are getting the link. Cool. We are getting the link obviously. So I'm just gonna check few links. Let's say if this is working or not. Wow, Wow, this is crazy. This is going to change everything. Look at this. You can apply directly here. You just have to create this AI agent and then you can actually go for internships. As you see, these are the internships which are actually available right now. The links and everything. As you see, yeah, we can be an ISRO internship. Great, cool. Yeah, now I want to search for PWP internships with organizations like these are government internships, by the way. And let's say I want to do this. So 5 free internship for college student 2025. This gives everything we need. You can see the link here. Okay, I mean, this may not be the link. Let me search for the actual apply link. This is actually cool, right? Great. So now let's try searching. Okay. This is cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna chat again with that commands. Compile internship list, send internship alerts. For example, if I have to send to my friend, send internship alerts. I want to send alerts to my email. Let's see what it replies. Basically, it gives what we have to do. Let's say tools. It's using tools and everything. All right. So inbox chat. Let's say I'm deleting and reopening the chat. Okay, so if I have to open this, click on new chat. So track, generate internship. So compile internship things. I'm just giving. So let's see what it does. Basically, whether it does or does the organization things or not. I need to extract relevant. Please provide me the data. So basically, we have already got the data in the previous command. In this command, this would compile it together as a list, which we can share it to others, which is great technically. So this is a good stuff. What do you think? Please do comment. And like if you want the website link, it is given in my caption, sorry, the description. You can just go and watch it. This is actually crazy. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and do share this with with your friends. I mean, you are my friends as well, so make sure you are sharing this with your friends, following me on my Instagram and also on my YouTube subscribe option. And if you have any doubts, please do comment. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.